Every flawless skin is not equal to happiness, doesn't equate to happiness. It could be a broken heart also.
बर्ड पूप
Yeah.
लोग, मैंने ये सुना है कि बहुत सारे वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज में, आई थिंक यूके में किसी एक स्टार ने किया था, ये एक अफवाह फैली थी कि वो लोग बर्ड पूप लगाते हैं अपने चेहरे पे। हमारे यहाँ पे खड़े वहां पे क्या पीछे
No,
से कबूतर
you just wait for it just to poo on
खड़े
your face.
कबूतर कब करके जाएगा। बॉलीवुड में कौन यूज करता है बताओ? What is that रहस्य? शाहरुख खान के बाल ऐसे कैसे हैं यार? सबको यही चाहिए। मैं सीधा आपको मुद्दे पे आके पूछ रहा हूँ अब।
ग्लूटा से अगर गोरा होता है तो सब गोरे होते हैं ना। But what gluta does, it reduces the oxidation.
But gluta was a drug used to treat, I think,
Correct.
kidney.
Cancer. Umar is something which will start changing a lot of things. Your hair can start thinning, your hair can go into fibrosis. So there you have to understand that you have to prevent stepping into that age.
Tell me something with my kitchen that I can find that I can use for my hair.
See, what is in your kitchen is only for you to eat.
रक्त पिशाच facial.
Don't make it sound so scary.
अरे vampire is रक्त पिशाच.
So the ratio is to be very less as compared to what the men. The woman ratio is always dominating.
हाँ.
But today I'm so happy that today a man comes forward and he loves to groom himself. ये ritual में plan किया
तो
जाता
अभी
है.
के कपल शादी प्लान करने के साथ अपना हनीमून डेस्टिनेशन और अपना कुजीन प्लान करने के साथ साथ डर्मैट रिचुअल भी प्लान करें कि क्या है मेन्यू में।
Skin investment भी plan होता है यहाँ पर. हर इंसान सुंदर है.
हर इंसान सुंदर है। इसी के साथ शुरुआत करते हैं आज के इस एपिसोड की। दिस इज कॉल्ड स्टार्स का जुगाड़। टुडे आई हैव अ स्टार एंड अ स्टार मेकर आल्सो, डॉक्टर दीपिका शेट्टी। somebody who is involved with, मैं कैसे बताऊं ये, मतलब आप ही बता दीजिए।
अरे मैं क्यों कहूँ कि involved है?
अच्छा involved नहीं है। she is a dermat cosmetologist and she works very closely with Bollywood superstars। वो involvement की बात हम बाद में करेंगे, थोड़ा सा आपको उसके बारे में कॉन्टेक्स्ट भी देंगे। बट डॉक्टर दीपिका, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर जॉइनिंग मी ऑन द शो।
It's a pleasure to have me here, I think.
I want to address the elephant in the room. Most important सवाल, हर इंसान इस वक्त, I think every man wants to know the secret behind having Shahrukh Khan type of hair.
Wait a minute. If you're saying addressing the elephant, I would say the elephant here is a Glenn Fentier.
Yes, the Glenn Fentier. Tell me, what is that रहस्य? शाहरुख खान के बाल ऐसे कैसे हैं यार? सबको यही चाहिए। मैं सीधा आपको मुद्दे पे आके पूछ रहा हूँ अब।
I mean, if you look at Shahrukh, his entire journey from Dilwale to Pathan, the younger look, the sleek look of Dawn, and coming to the latest that he had in Pathan, the more mature look.
हाँ.
All he had was that King Khan look, his mane,
हाँ.
and that defined him.
हाँ.
First thing I would say is genetic. Genetically, he has such good hair, and that is what he had to maintain eventually. I'm sure he must be doing a few things to maintain, but if I say Glenn, one wants hair like that.
Healthy hair वैसा चाहिए
Healthy
तो।
hair. I would say first thing is what you should do is have a little routine in place. Be a little careful of what you apply on your hair. You should also understand what medicines you can take for hair growth. And third thing is what procedures you can get with doctors done. Okay. If you want to look a particular way, you like your nose lifted, you like a sharper nose, you don't do it, nothing will happen. But if you start doing it and you stop doing it, then is where people are going to question you. How are you looking different? Why are you looking different? What was that
बीच
before?
में छोड़ दिया करके।
हाँ, छोड़ना नहीं चाहिए, आप उसको मेंटेन करो।
Either you don't do it
or you do it.
or go full out।
Yeah.
हर चीज में लाइफ में कमिटमेंट की जरूरत होती है।
हर चीज। And understand one more thing. Every flawless skin is not equal to happiness, doesn't equate to happiness. It could be a broken heart also. So understand, I always say first, peep inside. Peep inside, consult the person to understand why they have come to you. Is it something that's disturbing them? Sometimes it can work differently also, where the most broken heart comes to you to get work done. And they think if I do so, maybe I'm going to feel better.
बर्ड पूप
Yeah.
लोग, मैंने ये सुना है कि बहुत सारे वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज में, आई थिंक यूके में किसी एक स्टार ने किया था, ये एक अफवाह फैली थी कि वो लोग बर्ड पूप लगाते हैं अपने चेहरे पे यूथफुल और यंग दिखने के लिए। ये है कैसा?
Yeah, bird poo is used in products. Why? Because it contains enzymes in it, right? And also it contains urea.
Okay.
Okay, so what happens? No, Chuna?
हाँ.
So what happens is when you use this, you get this exfoliating. Exfoliating मतलब superficial skin जो होता है.
Dead skin.
Exfoliate. हाँ, dead skin तो वैसे निकलता है, जब dead हो जाते हैं तो निकलता है. But this exfoliation happens where you see that your skin starts glowing. But again, it's not for everyone.
And it's not direct bird poop.
Dirt. No, it
कि हमारे यहाँ पे खड़े हैं वहां पे क्या पीछे में कबूतर
you just wait for it just to poo on
खड़े
your face.
कबूतर कब करके जाएगा, वो वाला हिसाब नहीं है भाई।
हमारे पक्षी अच्छे ऐसे नहीं करते।
कबूतर कहीं पर भी कर देता है, फिर उसको हम लोग लक के साथ इक्वेट करते हैं।
Yeah, you're the lucky one, the chosen one.
The chosen one. No, tell me. So ये केमिकली जाता है लैब वैब में।
Yeah, वहाँ से बन के प्रोसेस हो के it's used in cream form or it's used in gel form.
So it's used in a cream or a gel form?
Gel form.
हाँ.
It's not used directly. Okay, understand one.
बॉलीवुड में कौन यूज करता है बताओ? कौन यूज करता है पक्षी की टट? No, I don't want to say पक्षी की टट्टी sounds very bad. Please forgive me for. Okay, I'm not taking Bollywood names. So it's used in a gel form or a cream form.
Yeah,
और
yeah.
फिर?
And then it's applied, and then you start seeing the results. Okay.
Don't wait. अब ना मैं बता रहा हूँ, मुझे इस बात का टेंशन है कि लोग ऐसे खड़े रहेंगे कि कब गिरेगा।
अरे ऐसे कोई नहीं होता है।
ऐसे नहीं होता ना?
ऐसे कोई नहीं होता है, हाँ।
और give us 3 things from now जो आपको देख रहे हैं, सुन रहे हैं, जो कर सकते हैं, जो ज्यादा एफर्ट नहीं लगेगा। क्योंकि देखो मुंबई में टाइम नहीं है किसी के पास, पूरे भारत देश में अभी हम ऐसे इकोनॉमी की तरफ है that everybody is working and everybody just wants to make something out of their lives. You're right, you have to invest in your skin, but tell us 3 things that are doable now.
Like first thing I would say, we have evolved a lot. We have changed a lot. Earlier there's a lot of word used, gora banna hai.
Ah.
Okay, that's what I'm really feeling good at the way how we all have evolved. You don't see people use that word now. Now the word has become like
Glutathione.
no.
Glutathione. Tell me glutathione.
I would say no. Today people say I want to glow.
Forget glow. I want glutathione is what people are saying. Tell me the truth. Glutathione से लोग गोरे होते हैं क्या? ये क्या है?
नहीं, कौन किसने कहा आपसे?
मैं नाम ले सकता हूँ, लेकिन क्या है कि फिर प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है।
नहीं, Glenn, please don't put yourself into trouble.
I'm not putting myself, but I know a lot of people who say glutathione से लोग गोरे होते हैं। पहले तो सिंपल
Let me say, gluta से अगर गोरा होता है तो सब गोरे होते हैं ना। But what gluta does, it reduces the oxidation.
But gluta was a drug used to treat, I think,
Correct.
kidney.
Cancer. So from there it was discovered that people who took this glutathione injections, their skin started looking better, their hair started
So ये
looking better.
by chance था?
हाँ, by fluke था. Like by fluke you discovered me, no?
No, I didn't discover you by fluke. वो कहानी for some other time. But so glutathione was basically actually for cancer treatment.
Actually, yeah, it was given as a byproduct where people saw that their skin start. अरे यार fit था, ये सब अच्छे कैसे दिख रहे हैं, इनका skin कैसे अच्छा दिख रहा है? Because post chemo the skin was darkening, right? वो darkening कम होते गया. The skin texture started becoming, the hair started growing, So now when it is used in this industry, it's used as tablets. And also used in injection form. Okay.
Drip form में भी आता है.
जी. But it's not focused gorapan. It's actually focused to glow your skin. You start glowing. You actually reduce the toxins in your blood. Antioxidant.
So basically it just gives you a clearer skin.
Yeah, that's it. And nothing is permanent. This is not permanent. एक बार आपने ग्लूटा कराया तो it doesn't mean that lifetime के लिए आप वैसे दिखने. You have to do it on regular basis. It could be once a week, once in 15 days. Yes, vanity comes with a cost.
Wow.
Also, you have tablets for that because this has a very short shelf life in your blood. It doesn't mean आज ग्लूटा खाया तो कल भी. No, you have to take a tablet every day. Even if you're taking IVs, injections, that does mean that you have to follow up with orals.
Can taking a wrong dose cause anything?
See, here what can go wrong?
Fatal.
I'll tell you what can
fatal?
Yeah, what can go wrong is if you're allergic to that product. An allergy test is a must, okay? Some people can react to it, okay? Second thing is also if, there's contamination, there's possibility of infection. These things you've got to be very careful about. The brand is also very important.
और कितना ml ले रहे हैं वो भी जरूरी है ग्लूटा का?
Minimum तो हम डोज देते हैं. मिनिमम डोज जो होता है इट्स लाइक अराउंड 2400 ऑनवर्ड से देते हैं. Depends on the individual requirement, but there is a slab of maximum dosage also. We just don't go overboard.
Wow, this was a masterclass in beauty, vanity. Tell me, let's start with the natural processes. अगर आपके किसी को चाहिए शाहरुख जैसे बाल या healthy hair like शाहरुख खान, तो कौन सी वो चीजें 3-4 चीजें जो हम क्विक फिक्स कर सकते हैं कि चलो यार ऐसे बाल शायद हो सकते हैं?
See, first is those medicines. You're going to take those medicine which will help you retain that kind of hair. Because as you start aging, Umar is something which will start changing a lot of things. Your hair can start thinning, your hair can go into fibrosis. So there you have to understand that you have to prevent stepping into that age. How do you prevent is maintain yourself with the right vitamins. So your right vitamins every day makes a lot of difference.
Does it? I'm good.
Of course. I mean, this is something which one wouldn't want to believe. या क्या होता है उसमें? क्या होगा इसको लगाने से? I'm saying क्यों नहीं होगा? You see a lot of एक बार लगा के तो देखो.
You're saying taking the right supplements and all of that.
Yeah.
Sleep factor play करता है?
Sleep, yes. Lifestyle. See, now that comes to a lifestyle. So if you are somebody who got a lot of hair on your scalp and suddenly you see in males it is the hormone that plays a role there, right? So that is why you'll see lifestyle and the action of this hormone plays a damage there, and this damage definitely is reversible if it's taken care at the right time, otherwise you lose the plot.
So आपसे सही समय पर उसको रोकना जरूरी है. Prevention is better than cure.
जब बुखार है उसके लिए दवा दे दो भाई सही समय पर.
हाँ, that you're right. So you're saying एक तो if we want like somebody comes to you, okay, for example hypothetically situation बोल रहा हूँ मैं, अच्छे खासे बाल हैं उसके पास, वो कह रहे हैं कि मेरे को शाहरुख जैसे बाल मेंटेन करने हैं अपने. I'm not saying शाहरुख जैसे ही बाल होंगे उनके, but just to have good hair, 3 चीजें जो हम अपनी रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी में कर सकते हैं. 2-3 basic things that I can do.
See, first thing I would say you can get hair closer to it. वैसे तो नहीं बोलूँगी because आपके माँ बाप अलग है,
genetics are different, everything is different.
अलग है. Probably you will not be using that brand of products that one he could be using. Okay, here I would say okay, use products which have a science background to it. That means backed by science, evidence based. आप इन चीजों का ख्याल रखोगे ना तो definitely on daily basis if you have to take care with this, especially listen to me, it should be a dermatology a tested product. Second thing, recommended by your doctor, and third is should have enough science backup to it. You'll definitally see results.
Tell me something in my kitchen that I can find that I can use for my hair.
See, what is in your kitchen is only for you to eat.
Come on.
Why do you want? Seriously, kitchen is something where you just take your, it just has to be what you're going to eat.
So you saying कुछ ऐसी
उसको
चीजें
लगाने से कुछ नहीं होता. Seriously.
कुछ खाने से kitchen
Suppose
में
you have coconut at home, and say eat that coconut. Okay, it's rich in omega. Okay, if you have berries in your kitchen, please have them, antioxidants, right? So you're going to eat these things to have the benefit of a better hair, right?
तो आप बोल रहे internally वो हमारे को अच्छा कर लेगा.
Yes.
Okay.
See, it is 2 things for a human being. It's not all about application. It's also about what you're going to eat. Eat well, eat right, and then apply the right things. So all these going to have a difference,
Application की जहाँ तक आपने बात की, आपने कहा खाना जो हमारे किचन में like coconut rich in omega, आपने कहा berries, antioxidants, these all will eventually help us in that overall goal that we are wanting to achieve, and along with getting and consulting a dermat or a doctor.
You also have to work out. Remember one thing. You have to improve blood circulation. If you do not improve blood circulation, trust me, whatever you do is not, because you got to feel good also, right? You have to feel good internally. That's only when you're going to feel good externally.
Application की बात, ये बहुत अच्छा बोला आपने कि first to glow on the outside you have to have that light within. So you will have wow. It's a nice line. मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ कि लोग कहते हैं कि ये तेल लगाने से, वो चंपी करने से बाल बढ़ जाएंगे, बाल बच जाएंगे. Let's address this issue once and for all. क्या with a hair oil massage or with using different kinds of herbal oils can I save my hair fall?
No offense to the oil industry. I would say oil is something which improves circulation.
Blood circulation, like you mentioned.
You're going to feel good about it. It's a placebo effect. So why not enjoy it? I'm not saying it's a taboo to use oil. But understand one thing. If you're going to use an oil which is a lot of chip, for example, castor oil, somebody says. Now to take out that castor oil from your scalp, you're going to use a strong shampoo. It's like 2-3 rounds of shampoo to take out that. वो गुनाह क्यों करना आपको? Rather use a milder, lighter oil. Have a good massage. Increase your scalp circulation. Feel good about it, moisturize your scalp, and then use your light shampoo to wash. Isn't this a good routine?
Point. Makes sense.
So that's why I say don't use castor oil, don't use heavy oil, don't use zyada chip wala oil, because to take out that chip, you'll use a stronger product to wash your scalp, and that's where you'll make it even more dry. So ये जो problem हटाने की कोशिश हो रही थी, वहाँ पर you're going to have more problem after that, right?
Interesting. Actually, that's a valid point. So use the oil, but use a less chip wala oil so it's easier for you to take out, because
less chip will also help with your skin, because the more chip you have, and you're somebody who's got acne, मुहासे है, then you're going to have another problem, right? वो तो बढ़ाने वाली है उसको. It's like from one pan you've fallen into another pan, frying pan.
Talking about skin now, I've always wondered, how do people like Deepika Padukone, Alia Bhatt, for example, and I know for a fact that they work out really hard. आपने workout का जिक्र किया था. You have to feel good internally to glow on the outside. And Deepika, Alia, I have seen these people. I've met them a couple of times for work, or just when we've had any kind of collaboration to be done. I've always seen कि उनकी जो skin है वो glow करती है. ये पॉसिबल कैसा है, हर बार कैसे हो सकता है ये?
See, first of all, I feel so proud of these names that you've taken, Deepika Padukone, Alia.
Yeah, because Deepika and Deepika, no.
No, not
Huh.
only that. Don't you feel she's an international face for
Absolutely.
LV, man? Proud of our women today in the industry, where
Right.
they have gone and how they project beauty and intelligence on a larger platform. Now, coming to her face, but she, I think, inherently has been always beautiful. If you see, she's got the best genes from her parents. If you see from the time that she's her modeling
We're talking
days-
about Deepika.
Yes, we're talking Deepika Padukone. From her modeling days and today, don't you feel every day she's looked better and better and better?
Absolutely.
That must be going a lot with her routine and her discipline. So she must be eating right, thinking right, and second thing is applying the right things. Okay, she definitely has a good routine in place to make her look like that today.
You think it's all whatever जो हम बॉलीवुड स्टार्स को देखते हैं, सेलिब्रिटीज को देखते हैं, everything obviously there are doctors who help.
Correct.
There is a lot of procedures that also happen. There is no denying all of that. But you're also saying for all of that is also a lot of maintenance and a lot of work. When you talk
Yes.
to how does one get to a Deepika Padukone kind of skin? वो कैसे होता है? Naturally looking and glowing like that. वो जो glass skin बोलते हैं वो कैसे possible है?
See, today you and me will be sitting and assuming things because it's not from the horse's mouth. Okay.
Correct.
So I would say, probably if you want a skin like her, or look like that kind of radiance, the first thing would be having a routine in place. Okay, when we say have the right face wash. Now, if you got oily skin, then you choose a face wash which is right for that kind of skin. That means non-comedogenic face wash. And then you start with hydrating your skin. Then once you hydrate your skin, you apply your sunscreen. Again, today, it's so precise and so clear for us when choosing your product. You know if your skin is oily, then this is the right face wash for you, this is the right moisturizer, and this is the right sunscreen
Can
for
I
you.
can I can I butt in over here? मुझे
Yes.
आपसे honestly पूछना है, ये सनस्क्रीन का जो फंडा है, I know कि अभी बहुत ट्रेंड में है. I'm not trying to say that the sunscreen industry is probably trying to boost the trend, so you know everybody's applying sunscreen and now suddenly becomes a thing. Apply sunscreen, चार finger ये वो. But coming from somebody who's medically equipped and who understands this, कितना मायने रखता है sunscreen?
Sunscreen does matter, and sunscreen matters a lot if you have to apply it every 2 hours. Understand, there's a chemical locha that happens.
Okay.
You apply your sunscreen, you're exposed to the outside. It fails to protect you for long hours. Though it says a SPF of 50 and does this broad acting protection, but nahi, you have to apply it every 2 hours.
इंडिया के लिए SPF कितना important होता है? SPF 30,
I
50,
would
60
say you
होता है?
can start with 20 plus, 25 से start कीजिएगा, but the motto here is to apply it every 2 hours. तो ये आपको इसके फायदे मिलेंगे, नहीं तो you won't.
अच्छा, थैंक यू, आपने बता दिया इसका जिक्र
Yes.
किया, क्योंकि लोगों को लगता है
Otherwise, don't apply it.
कि एक बार लगा दिया तो ठीक
तो
है.
उसका इंसल्ट हो जाएगा सनस्क्रीन का.
तो आप saying every 2 hours?
Every 2 hours is what you have to apply. So today it's developed so much. You have sunscreen that you can put over your makeup. You don't have to worry. Like for example, today you are ready with your concealers, your foundation, whatever you're ready with. यार sunscreen कैसे लगाऊं यार? पहले लगा के आओ तो अभी तो इसके ऊपर. So today you have sprays that you can just spray over it, and it definitely gives you protection.
I will do it for 21 days to 30 days. एक 30 days का challenge. I'll put sunscreen every 2-3 hours and see what happens to my skin.
If you do that,
हाँ.
trust me, you're going to do that for lifetime because you will love what you see.
ये आपने एक इंटरेस्टिंग फंडा बोला. So you're saying to have good skin, hydrated skin, sunscreen apply करना जरूरी है depending on your skin type. कुछ अलग-अलग sunscreens मिलते हैं. There are sunscreens that are like very
There are
make your skin chalky.
No, there are sunscreen that feel very sticky when you apply it.
Correct.
There are sunscreen that you apply, you feel it's like a fluid, okay, water based. There are sunscreen where you apply which has a slight tint in it,
Right.
and there are some which has a white cast.
Yeah, वो white वाला बड़ा आपको.
Don't use a white cast.
हाँ.
Use a sunscreen which is more fluid based, okay, so which is water based.
हाँ.
And also when you apply it, it just gives a good glow. And that glow is something where you say the no makeup look.
अच्छा.
You get that glow there.
इंटरेस्टिंग. ये सनस्क्रीन के बारे में आपने थोड़ा सा बता दें. सो मे बी टू अचीव दैट दीपिका पादुकोण स्किन में एक रूटीन फॉलो करना जरूरी है, और फिर शायद
Everywhere, whether you take Deepika's skin or whether you take any other celebrity skin, understand one thing, बहुत मेहनत लगती है वहाँ पर. वो मेहनत is not about the dermat there or the plastic surgeon. The मेहनत is the individual themselves. You know, if you do not follow a routine and just say, आज ये करा लिया मैंने procedure, तो lifetime में nothing is permanent. Everything changes every day. That's the reason, because you age every day, you have to take care of yourself every day, twice daily.
वाओ, यू एज एवरी डे, इसलिए आपको अपना ख्याल रखना पड़ेगा रोज की रोज ट्वाइस एवरी डे उठते से ही और सोने से पहले।
सोने से पहले बहुत ही ज़रूरी है।
अब बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग पॉइंट बोला आपने वी स्पोक अबाउट शाहरुख खान, वी स्पोक अबाउट द लाइक्स ऑफ दीपिका पादुकोण, स्टॉलवर्ड्स, आलिया भट्ट, ग्रेट स्किन, द वे दे मेंटेन देमसेल्व्स, टेक केयर ऑफ देमसेल्व्स। बहुत सारी चीजें जो है वो ट्रेंड में आती है, जैसे कि इंटरनेशनली मैंने एक वैम्पायर फेशियल के बारे में सुना
जी,
था।
हाँ।
ये वैम्पायर फेशियल है क्या?
See, vampire facial, if you understand, means blood.
रक्त पिशाच फेशियल, रक्त पिशाच फेशियल।
Don't make it sound so scary.
अरे वैम्पायर इज रक्त पिशाच। टेल अस अबाउट रक्त पिशाच फेशियल।
Imagine vampire facial करके आप अच्छे दिख सकते हो. Why not?
बट क्या है ये?
See, vampire facial is actually we take your blood, we draw your blood, it's put into a kit, and then it's put into a centrifuge machine, and it separates. So when you see a test tube, you will see something like a gold part above. Okay, that gold part is something like a gold mine on your face.
Okay.
And when that is injected on your face, or when that is infused into your skin, you will see, Glenn, you had those open pores, or you feel your skin look dull. That starts getting better. It's not magic where you do once and expect results. You do it consistently. That means you repeat it after every 21 days or once a month. And that's where you see that starting. First thing is we do a kind of thing called as microneedling. Okay. When microneedling is done, it's actually micro injury to the skin. Now that sends signals to the brain to repair it. And then you have support system of yourself which repair it. And your open pores starts looking better. Like if you have skin which look like orange peel, it starts shrinking. Your pores tighten up. It looks better. You have acne scars. That looks better. You have dry skin. That looks better. So you start looking more and more dewy and younger. These are the ways that you can not reverse the aging process, but slow it down further.
पर अगर किसी को ये नहीं करना है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, बहुत सिंपल भाषा में बहुत सारे लोग कहेंगे मेरे को नहीं जाना है बिकॉज आई विल बी ओवर डिपेंडेंट ऑन समबडी फॉर मी टू लुक अ सर्टेन वे।
See, vanity comes with a cost. Okay, you have to understand. अगर आप दीपिका पादुकोण का नाम ले रहे हैं यहाँ पर, then you have to understand कि उस level तक you have to push yourself to do something, right?
But if I don't want to, for example, I'm saying
Fine, you don't want to.
घर पे if I want to
and
do
you
some
want to do something what Deepika Shetty does.
yes, tell us what Deepika Shetty does. Tell us.
So that's like a routine. That means use a good face wash, moisturize yourself well. That means cleansing, moisturizing and sunscreen. ये तीन चीजें करो please.
So cleansing will involve सुबह उठ के face धोना. Then that I know a lot of influencers who use a vitamin C serum.
No, I would say even when you're washing your face, understand, spend some time. See that cleanser जो आप use करने वाले हो, spend some time, no? Micro circulation of the face also can happen with that massage that you're doing. Lymphatic drainage also happens, right? So you're going to cleanse it so nicely and clean that you know, now you have beard. You have to understand, it's not the area that you leave. So when you cleanse your face, you also cleanse it inside the beard area also. Okay, go all along the hairline. So you're cleansing, spend some time there.
So you're saying there is एक circular motion होता है, तो आपके वो एक तो blood circulation बढ़ता है,
lymphatic drainage होता
ये क्या होता है lymphatic drainage? अगर आपको सिंपल भाषा में समझाना है।
सिंपल भाषा में जब सुबह उठते हो you feel oh you look all beefed up.
You feel like oh yeah थोड़ा हाँ
I don't look good. I'm looking grumpy. It's not grumpy.
हाँ, that's
It is your swelling जो सुजन जो होता है face पे।
Yeah.
Yes. तो हल्का सा कीजिए आप।
वो क्या होता है वो यूज करते हैं?
So you can dunk your face into ice.
हाँ.
Okay, that will also help.
रोज कर सकते हैं ये?
रोज मत कीजिएगा because if you're not going to hydrate yourself, then rose is not going to help.
Guys, this is the thing that you know trends जो दिखाते हैं वो आइस में डुबकी लगाते हैं, क्या करते हैं? This guy who's an international, what is his name यार?
No, if you're working
Aston
out,
Hall. What he does is केले के छिलके, lime, puts it in water, dunks his face inside ice water, and everybody's been following that trend.
see what helps him may not help all. Okay. But what may help you is what we can tell you. So what are the basic things is you can do your ice dunking in the morning. Why? It reduces your puffiness, the overall swelling that you have. It reduces. It's cold, right? Negative temperature always reduces swelling.
हाँ.
But if you're a person who's not going to top it up with a moisturizer, then please don't do it. Do it once in a while.
क्यों क्या होगा अगर
It causes
moisturizer?
a lot of dryness then.
हाँ, समझा. Okay.
सूखापन होगा, then you will complain that my skin is cracking, lips are feeling dry, the angle of my mouth is, feeling too dry. So these are the things. And also the second thing, after all this, remember one thing, apply, and if you don't have water, no, it's useless. Hydrate yourself well. So you're on long hours in the studio, you're in an AC environment, you're in a different temperature. Please hydrate yourself here. Otherwise, you'll find your hair and skin also dry. So please hydrate and do the rest of your rituals.
How much of water, important water होता है कितना?
Each one's thirst is different.
हाँ.
Each one's hours of drinking water is also going to be very different. I would say morning to 6 o'clock. See that you can have at least 2.5 liters of water. That's enough. Don't overload yourself also. When you're thirsty, please have good amount of water.
So you're saying अगर आप अपना वो face dunk कर रहे हैं ice में and you want to do all of that, then be very careful. See that you moisturize your skin.
Yes.
So you're saying washing the face, spend some time with washing your face, take care of it, then moisturize your skin, then use sunscreen.
Sunscreen.
ये मुझे बताइए ये टोनर वोनर जो होता है, टोनर, विटामिन सी, ये सब इतना सारा रूटीन होता है, थोड़ा सा ज्यादा मुझे लगता है ना हमारी मुंबईकर की लाइफ में इतना
टाइम नहीं होगा हमारे पास. समय समय
नहीं है मेरे पास.
इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस. तो जब आपके पास कुछ समय होता है तो ये 3 रिचुअल्स तो फॉलो कीजिए.
वॉश, मॉइस्चराइज एंड सनस्क्रीन.
सनस्क्रीन एवरी 2 आवर्स. ठीक है, आपकी टेबल पे रखो.
मॉइस्चराइजर कौन सा यूज कर सकते हैं आप?
अकॉर्डिंग टू योर स्किन टाइप.
Consult a dermat.
Consult a dermat. If you have problems in understanding, then I'm sure online आपको बहुत ज़्यादा टिप्पणी मिलती है डॉक्टर से, उसको फॉलो कीजिएगा and invest in the right product. Skin investment, as I say.
Skin investment. Nice.
Yes.
You told us about a routine that we can establish to save hair, but where can hair transplants go wrong?
See, hair transplant is later in life when you know that you have lost more than 30%. Okay. और ये वापस आने नहीं
How much I've lost?
In fact, you remember the day when we first met.
Right.
You spoke about your face. You
Right.
did not speak about your hair. Okay.
Right.
And that's when I had to bring it up slowly to you.
Right.
Listen, Glenn, you have to take care of your hair
Right.
because this skin should complement that hair, right?
Right.
So that's where. Now, in men, I would say hair transplant does play a role. Why? Because you have these hormones, male hormones, that have an impact. So that's why in men, once you start losing hair, for it to grow back or to get that entire bunch of hair, you need a hair transplant. Okay. Now, what is hair transplant? You take your own hair from the back of the hair, from back of the scalp, and it's put in front. Okay. It's like each follicle is taken and put. Okay.
Painful होता है procedure?
Definitely under anesthesia, local anesthesia.
फिर भी उसके बाद
see, pain management बहुत अच्छा होता है. That's the reason you see more and more people doing it.
हाँ.
Today, I feel the number of people getting hair transplant much more.
अभी taboo नहीं consider करते ना इतना.
नहीं ना. और now the man is not even embarrassed. अगर वो dressing भी दिखे तो कोई
हाँ,
बात नहीं.
कर रहा
ठीक है.
हाँ.
ठीक है, ऐसा damage हुआ था तो ऐसा कर रहा हूँ. So nobody is even hiding themselves also from it. And what do you see is once you do a hair transplant, you have to have that kind of patience. 9 months to 1 year it'll take for you to have the entire hair growth. Okay, your hairline is made there. The places especially the crown area, the hair so that also grows back. But mind you, it does not mean after a hair transplant you can stop your hair routine. It's just like a plant that you have to nurture and take care of. You have to continue with your serums. You have to continue with your oral medicines.
For the rest of your life?
Of course. You can take a break for some time, but most of the time you have to. These are habits that you have to form. If you're a person who says, "Bhai, I can't do all this. Itne nakhre, generally इतने नखरे तो मैं नहीं कर सकता हूँ तो ठीक है then I would say think twice before you indulge in this.
Actually, it's a very interesting piece of advice कि अगर आप invest नहीं करना चाहते तो don't indulge.
Don't do it.
Diwali is over, Diwali week is done, शादियों का season start होने वाला है. There's going to be a boom in people coming and visiting you, pre-wedding rituals. I've loved the fact that a lot of men also come and now do pre-wedding rituals with a dermat. Face cleaning होता है, थोड़ा सा facials होते हैं, and I love it. It's beautiful कि सब, everyone's now involved in taking care of their skin. मर्दों के लिए किस टाइप की चीजें होती हैं शादी के पहले? आपने कहा कि एक दिन पहले आप आके नहीं कर सकते वो रिचुअल. या मैं इसको रिचुअल ही बुला रहा हूँ. शादी के पहले you go to doctor, dermat. Tell me, what are the things that men come and do before their wedding, like 3-4 weeks before?
See, I would say first when I started practice, I would see only women come over, okay? So the ratio used to be very less as compared to what the men. The women ratio is always dominating. But today I'm so happy that today a man comes forward and he loves to groom himself. Trust me, Glenn, it's not only about his hair. He is ready to do his entire body. This is how a man has come forward.
Right.
Sometimes you see the girl getting the man,
Right.
iska karana hai. But what are few things that a man can do? A nice clean up, a good facial, okay, like hydrofacial is something that a man, with no downtime. So that means he can do few things which have no downtime just before the wedding. Until unless it's not planned. Otherwise, a dermat sits with you and says, this is the date of your wedding. So you start coming from so and so date, and this is the treatment that we could do. We have a gap. So this entire process is planned.
हाँ.
तो ये रिचुअल में प्लान किया
तो
जाता
अभी
है.
के कपल शादी प्लान करने के साथ अपना हनीमून डेस्टिनेशन और अपना कुजीन वुजीन प्लान करने के साथ साथ डर्मैट रिचुअल भी प्लान करें कि क्या है मेन्यू में.
स्किन इन्वेस्टमेंट भी प्लान होता है यहाँ पर. Whether I need to spend so much for my skin or not.
हाँ.
For example, you makeup. When a makeup artist is doing makeup, he finds it very difficult to apply makeup. He says आपकी स्किन बहुत सूखी है, आपके फेस पे बहुत सारे दाग है, या wrinkles है, ये है, वो है. तो that is where they also come to know during their makeup trials कि ठीक है, okay, I didn't realize that I have these problems, and these problems can be fixed. I feel a lot of awareness comes from there also. That's why today in the market we have so many things that have come. It's such a flourishing market, I would say. Why? Because new generation treatments are coming, right?
Right.
New generation products are coming out, and you have so many industries coming up with new and new products. It's exciting. It's getting better each day.
What's exciting? मैंने जेनिफर एनिस्टन या किसी को सुना था about salmon sperm injections in the face. तो उससे क्या होता है? मैंने सुना था. I think जेनिफर एनिस्टन या किसी ने, I don't know, किसी हॉलीवुड स्टार ने इसके बारे में जिक्र किया था कि वो salmon sperm inject करते हैं.
Salmon, as you understand, is a fish.
Fish.
Okay?
Collagen?
No. It's a fish.
Fish, हाँ. Fish.
उसके DNA से बनता है. Okay, these are polynucleotides.
Okay, so this has got nothing to do with collagen. जो आपने कहा marine life से जो collagen बनता है.
नहीं,
Okay.
नहीं. This is not direct collagen.
हाँ.
No. So these are nucleotides which are injected into your skin.
Okay.
Okay, so that means it's not taken direct. There's a process. It's
Correct.
made in labs, correct? And why I say that? Because tomorrow I don't want somebody to take an salmon egg, and rub it on your face. Okay, yeah, please. Okay, Mampur, you have to understand. But just like how I've heard of somebody take bird poo and do that on your face.
ये इसके बारे में बात करें. हाँ,
Yes,
bird poo apparently
yes,
अगर आप
yes.
bird poo लगाते हैं अपनी
So
चेहरे
you have to
में.
understand this all goes into the lab, clinical labs. They're experimented, they're tried, they're tested, and that's how it comes out after so much of study. And that's where they have enough and more than clinical trials done to see the difference. So when this salmon sperm is injected into your skin, you see changes like the fine lines become better. The second thing is skin starts glowing. You start having a different luminosity in your skin,
तो उसके लिए भी एक बार करने से नहीं होता.
नहीं होता. एक बार में दिखता तो जरूर है,
हाँ.
लेकिन आपको मेंटेन करना पड़ेगा इसको. हर चीज is all about maintenance.
Oh, vanity comes at a very big cost.
Sorry. Yes.
Yes, it does.
Yes.
This is expensive because to get to, and also then, okay.
And that is also an addiction, no?
It is, no? That's
It
why I'm
is an
asking.
addiction. एक बार आपको ये दिख जाता है, you want to go again and again and again, and you don't know where to draw the
Isn't
line.
it a double-edged sword then? I'm asking you.
Yes, it is. It is. That's why we as doctors say, bas kar.
Do you all say it?
Yeah, of course, I say bas kar.
I'm seriously
swear,
asking.
I swear.
I love this conversation we are having. But do you all actually say it?
Yeah,
आप
we
लोग
have
ऐसे
to
बोलते
draw
हैं?
a line, right? It's like perfection, but somewhere I feel little flaws also good, right? Where to draw a line? It's like, okay, you're coming.
पर वो तो आपके बिजनेस को किल करेगा फिर.
But then why are we are here to even advise you, right? अगर हम आपको सही चीज नहीं बताए या सही advice नहीं दे, then I'm sorry, we fall short of what we're supposed to do.
Yeah, it's actually also a very difficult line for you all to draw between morals and business. पैसा कमाए कि इसको बताए कि बस
Yeah,
मत
बस
करना.
कर,
आपने
बस
बोला
कर.
है? Honestly, tell me.
Honestly.
I know you have. I know who you have said it to also. But okay, tell me which way. Okay, don't name the star. But have you told any Bollywood star this? Enough.
No, I don't want to say that. No, please, you don't have to. No, I don't want to say that. Okay, I would say that.
I loved how you shifted gears. अरे बस नहीं करना और बस. Yeah, can we
See,
shift gears?
why? Because Glenn, I would say the beauty. Everyone is beautiful, right?
हाँ.
But I would say a little flaw is even more beautiful.
You have some moisturizers and what sunscreen in your bags? अरे?
हम लगा के निकलते हैं. Sunscreen is what you have. I can give you that.
All right, Dr. Deepika Shetty, the genius dermat cosmetologist who works with the who's who of the Indian film industry, but she doesn't want to
Keep
name.
guessing who.
Yeah. She doesn't want to name them right now, but we figured it out in this entire conversation. Can we follow you on Instagram?
Yes, please.
Give us your Insta handle, please.
It's Dr. Deepika Shetty 1.
Dr. Deepika Shetty 1 is her Instagram handle. जाके वहाँ उन्हें जरूर follow करें और सुनते रहे Fever FM. This was Stars का जुगाड़, the star and the star maker herself with us today.
Thank you so much, Glenn, for this. Thank you.